Agriculture are the most important growing field in the world now, especially developing countries like Malaysia, as we are producing our own product based on agriculture. But the fact that agriculture is tedious and involve many workers is something where we cannot deny. Starting from the above statement, we are proposing a project in producing a new design that may help farmers and agriculture field to improve the crop production to be more efficient, effective, and friendly, whether to environment and also to user. The tools used these days are currently not fully optimized and convenient enough for farmers. There are some problems arises regarding our agriculture field, especially for seedling, soil looseness, and weeding. The conventional seedling tool has some limitation to farmers, such as poor control over depth of seed placement. It is not possible to achieve uniformity in the distribution of seeds, and the effect of inaccuracies in seed placement. For soil looseness, the traditional tool farmers work only with the hook, and it will affect the backbone. Time consuming to loosen the soil is increased, and greater human effort is required. The manual weeding is considered as the most efficient control, but its use has reduced due to shortage of labor for crop production on a large scale and growing cost of labor. The objective for this project are to generate a conceptual design for a multi-function plantation tools. Then to analyze and evaluate the conceptual design and develop the house of quality of the project, to select the suitable materials to meet the functional and ergonomic requirement. And the last, to estimate the cost incurred of the product.
For methodology, we have done conduct 4 types of method to get a result. First is the survey, is questionnaire. Second is morphological charts. Third is house of quality. Fourth is concept screening and concept scoring. And the lastly is the material selection. For the survey, we focus on weight, size, purpose, priorities, and the material. As you can see on the result, 76% prefer the weight range from 1 kg to 2 kg, 65% prefer medium size, 40% prefer multifunction, 51% prefer function as a priorities, and lastly 36% prefer material of product better made from mixed material. Topological chart provide a structured approach to concept generation for solution to a defined design problem, alternative design solution for a product. As you can see, result for the product: material we prefer steel, body shape we prefer cylinder, size we prefer medium, type of handle we prefer right handle, cultivator we prefer static cultivator, and lastly head we prefer 3-jaw head. House of quality is providing a clear framework for addressing customer needs, help business integrate the voice of the customer into the product development, and lastly is comparing with the market product. As you can see on the result, the Transplanter B almost achieve our target value. Concept screening is used to eliminate ideas that are not worth pursuing. The screening process may lead to new ideas or ways to combine ideas. Concept scoring is used when increased resolution will better differentiate among competing concepts. Concept scoring is an improved and more detailed version of concept screening. As you can see on the result, for screening, concept A and concept C will eliminate because not fulfill our selection criteria. The ranking concept B, D and E. Concept B almost fulfill our selection criteria. For material selection, there is step we use. First, translate design requirement. Second, screening the selected material. Third, ranking the material. And fourth, we use the CES EduPack. As you can see on the result, for material selection, there is step we use. First, translate design requirement. Second, screening the selected material. Third, ranking the material. And fourth, we use the CES EduPack. As you can see on the result for the translation, is body upper and lower constraint, length, height, hardness, height corrosion resistant, objective estimate cost and minimize mass. Free variable is choice of method. For the screening, carbon fiber almost fulfill our criteria due to the strength. For the ranking, we prefer mild steel based on the total score. For CES, we made a bubble chart due to tensile strength and the Young modulus. As you can see on the result, we prefer to use low carbon steel or mild steel based on the tensile strength and Young modulus to fulfill material criteria for our product.
The criteria for selected design. After discussion of the product list, the group members and supervisor have agreed to choose the multi-function planting device. As the advice and consultation of the supervisor, this product is achievable and can be manufactured by this group as the part can be fabricated all the components of the device. For the product, we also trying to upgrade this device available today to become a multi-function device that may be used as a gruel as well. So by using these devices, farmers may save their time and increase their production. The design features cylindrical body shape which help to increase the strength of the body and also has one handle with nozzle open mechanism level. There is several types of design multi-purpose planting devices. The group members and supervisor have agreed to choose design number 4 as our product for the cost of product design and manufacturing.
From the design idea we have made on the product, I will explain about the efficiency of the design. We have designed the shape of the product in such a small and compact size. This design idea will give benefit and help to ease the user in storing and handling the tool. The design also supports foldable body feature. The feature can fold the body of the tool into half of its length, which will reduce the size for easy storing, such as storing in a box. The compact size and shape of the tool also helps in transporting or moving in much easier and more convenient way rather than heavy machine which has been used in this industry before. Because this product does not require a large amount of material usage due to its size, the cost of producing this product is not high and affordable to be sold to the small farmers. Idea design inspiration. The ideas that we got for this product is from many sources. First is the idea from the transplant machine. Transplant machine involve planting sapling into powdered soil by machine. The difference is that our product use manually driven tool rather than machine driven. This process requires considerably less time and labor than manual transplant using hands. The transplanting machine is quite expensive to be used by most farmers. Creating a mechanical and manually driven tool at least doesn't spend that much amount of money, which can help and accommodate small farmers. Next is weeding tool. Weeding tool is one of the most important tools for garden use. Weeding tools types are as numerous as the weeds that needs to be destroyed. As the weeding tool has been introduced before in this industry, we take the idea to be mixed into our product, make it a multifunctional tool combining with the transplanting process. The last one is seedling. Seedling process and mechanism is actually same as transplanting, as the only difference is transplanting plant the sapling while seedling plants the seeds. This process also uses the exact same tool, which is Transplanter. Additional feature for seedling is that it has more storage, which can store more seedlings. This tool can reduce the time required and labor for this specific process.
Manufacturing process device part 1. Material used is mild steel and the process involved are fabricating, joining, which is rivet, and also welding, which is tungsten inert gases. While for handle, material used are mild steel and soft rubber. Fabricating and welding are their processes. In part 3, processes used are fabricating, welding, tungsten inert gases, and also finishing, which is mostly grinding. Material used is mild steel, same as part 4, which is cone nozzle jaw, but the process involved are fabricating, cutting, and also finishing, which is also grinding. There are a table shows the several factors have been considered in the limitation and sensitivity analysis, which is in part joint bracket with hinge, handle, body upper and lower, and also cone nozzle. Sustainability of products. Sustainability is best defined as meeting the needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Basically, we can divide sustainability into 3 types. There are society, environment, and also economy. These 3 types are informally referred to as people, planet, and also profit, which is money. The objective of sustainability for our product are: first, society. The planter devices are designed ergonomically to minimize discomfort while farming activities. The weight are not too heavy as we consider only certain amount of weight workers should take. It also makes life easy as no need to many human power. For environment, lower toxicity and pollution. By using this planter device, we will not burn the soil to clear the small farming space as this device can also be used for weeding activity. And we also can reduce the chemical pesticides as we can control the quality of seeds. In economy, the product and process innovation, which is technological advancement, may develop faster as many researchers will start to develop more and more technology that may help farmers to make agriculture easy access. This product development also may provide large-scale new business opportunities such as from 3R to 6R as stated in the report. By this planter also, the production rate will increase with a shorter time.
Conclusion. The first objective of this project is to generate a new design idea for multi-usage and function tools for plantation. The method used to achieve the objectives are as follows. First, do discussion among the members to get opinion and idea about how to combine the function available for the product. Second, do the survey and questionnaire among farmers to get the feedback of what they need to make their plantation easier and more efficient. Third, ask for the idea from other students to get the various kinds of view from a different person. The second objective of this project is to select suitable material for more ergonomic usage. This objective is achieved successfully by using method. First, a use translation concept to filter out some of material that suitable to be used that kind of application. Use the CES EduPack program to get the data and properties of each material that we have narrowed down into some materials. We use screening concept to understand and measure the potential of each material suitable with the usage of the product from the data recorded. We also use scoring concept that uses scoring and metric to evaluate concept to decide on final material. The objective that we have achieved in this project is to analyze and evaluate the design idea and evaluate the house of quality. The objective achieved by design is generated by using sketches with the help of computers such as CAD. By using this kind of computer-aided design, we are able to learn about the high technology and concurring engineering, design for manufacture and assembly, DMFA, adaptive manufacturing and non-conventional machining, which helped us understand about how and which process can be done to construct the final product. Engineering analysis on the product is carried out by using Fusion 360 CAD software to check the durability, strength and safety factor of the material and design of the product to perform the function purpose for the product. Another study is cost analysis, which is resulting in the calculation of estimated and lowest cost incurred for the production of the tool. Lastly, house of quality will achieve by considering the data taken from survey and questionnaire to develop a tool that is inspired by the user needs.